Cross River Bank, a New Jersey-based bank known for serving cryptocurrency enterprises such as Coinbase and Circle, has received a consent order from the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, seeking further oversight. The FDIC argues that the bank engaged in risky or unsound banking practices in violation of fair lending laws and regulations and demands that the company implement greater oversight and controls. While the action is not connected to the bank's crypto activities, it is noteworthy in light of the failures of other crypto-friendly banks such as Silvergate Bank and Silicon Valley Bank that failed in March 2023.